Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ channel. I am CMA Akula Sridhar. Friends, in this channel we are bringing you all the latest updates of government jobs in finance domain every week. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's begin. So friends, first vacancy is a reminder for those who have still not applied for the specialist officers vacancies at Canara Bank. Friends, this has come into this week employment newspaper while we have already shared this advertisement on our video dated 27th November 2020. So friends, here is the recruitment for 20 vacancies of manager finance, 1 vacancy for cost accountant, 20 vacancies for chartered accountants and 43 vacancies for law graduates. And friends, the educational qualification is concerned for manager finance, the education qualification asked was MBA finance or MMS finance or post graduation with specialization in finance with a minimum 60% marks. For cost accountant or chartered accountant, you should be holding a CMA degree or a chartered accountant degree respectively. And far as manager law is concerned, you should be having a degree in law. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years and it will be an all India transfer basis post. Friends, it's a permanent post, and as far as experience is concerned, for manager law, you need to have 3 years of experience, while for other categories, even 2 years of experience is sufficient to apply for these vacancies. The package would be 9.96 lakhs gross and you have to apply online before 15th December 2020. Moving on, next vacancy is from SV Jain Limited, which is a joint venture of Government of India and Government of Himachal Pradesh. Hence, it's a mini Ratna category PSU and the recruitment is for 2 posts of executive trainee. Friends, the educational qualification is a CS qualified. The upper limit is 30 years and the place of posting would be Himachal Pradesh. Friends, it's a permanent post and you don't need to have any experience to apply for these vacancies. The package would be 17 lakhs gross and you have to apply online before 4th January 2021. So friends, for all the vacancies shown in this video, the link is given in the description box below. So those who are interested can directly click there and apply for their vacancies. Moving on, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 2 posts of junior officer training. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is a commerce graduate with 50% and CS inter. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years, it's a permanent post and you don't need to have any experience again to apply for these vacancies. The starting basic pay would be 29,600 and there will be addition of DA, TPT, DA, HRA and other allowances. So it will go around to 50,000 rupees gross. Friends, you have to apply online before 4th January 2021. Moving on, next vacancy is from National Book Trust for 1 post of deputation of Deputy Director Cost and Finance. Friends, this is a post on deputation. That means those who are already having a government experience of 10 years at finance, management, auditing or at managerial level in government organizations are eligible to apply. Friends, the upper limit is 56 years. The education qualification is concerned, you should be either a CA or CMA. Friends, the place of posting would be New Delhi and the package would be around 12.5 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline to National Book Trust before 5th January 2021. Moving on, next vacancy is from India Exim Bank, commonly known as Export-Import Bank of India, for the recruitment of total 60 vacancies in all India basis. Friends, some vacancies of these are reserved for management trainee finance or management trainee law. And for as far as the education qualification is concerned, for management trainee finance, the education qualification asked is MBA finance or PGDBA finance or a chartered accountancy degree. And for law graduates, you should be a fresh graduate in law with minimum 60% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 25 years. It's a permanent post and again no need to have any experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, the package would be 17 lakhs after the initial period of traineeship and you have to apply online before 19th December 2020. Friends, next vacancy is from Wildlife Institute of India, which is a category 2 center for World Natural Heritage Management and Training for Asia and Pacific region under UNESCO. Friends, here the recruitment is for 1 post of office assistant at Madhya Pradesh. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduate degree in any discipline. The upper limit is 50 years. Friends, it's a pure contractual post and you will get a monthly consolidated amount of rupees 25,000 plus HRA. Friends, again no need to have an experience and you have to mail your resume at registrar@wii.gov.in and there will be an interview on 21st December 2020. Moving on, next vacancy is from Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited, which is a corporate entity of Visakhapatnam Steel Plant. Friends, here the recruitment is for 3 posts of management trainee marketing. Friends, the educational qualification would be MBA or post-graduation degree or post-graduation diploma in marketing management. The upper limit is 27 years and the place of posting would be Visakhapatnam. Friends, it's a permanent post, again no experience required to apply for these vacancies. The package would be 12.22 lakhs gross and you have to apply online before 29th December 2020. Moving on. Next vacancy is from Employee State Insurance Corporation for the recruitment of one post of actuary and one post of assistant actuary. Friends, the educational qualification is considered for actuary. You should be holding a degree from a recognized university or equivalent and a fellowship from the Actuarial Society of India or Institute of Actuaries of India. And as far as assistant actuary is considered, apart from holding a degree, you should be holding associateship of Actuarial Society of India or Institute of Actuaries of India. Friends, the upper limit is 56 years and the place of posting would be New Delhi. Friends, it's a permanent post. For applying for the post of actuary, you should be having 12 years of experience, while for assistant actuary, you should be having 5 years of experience in actuarial work or matters related to insurance sector in government. Friends, for actuary, the package would be 22.5 lakhs, while for assistant actuary, it would be rupees 12.5 lakhs gross, respectively. Friends, you have to apply offline to the ESIC before 5th February 2021. Moving on. Friends, next is a gentle reminder for those who are preparing for SEBI Grade A Officer exam. Please visit financemcq.in where the entire SEBI Grade A exam technical syllabus of general stream is brought in MCQ format. Friends, here 2000 plus subject wise or topic wise MCQ questions are presented for you to practice. Friends, explanation are also added for correct answers wherever required. Apart from these, friends, there are 25 national level test series covering the entire technical syllabus for you for more and more practice. Friends, all these contents are designed by professionals like CA, CMA and is presented in the website in an exam-like environment with the timer facility for every practice. And friends, we are already getting tremendous response and a very good feedback from candidates who have already joined. So do visit Finance MCQ and practice your technical syllabus there. All the best. Next vacancy is from the Cotton Corporation of India Limited, which is a Government of India undertaking under Ministry of Textiles. Friends, here the recruitment is for 6 posts of management trainee accounts and the place of posting would be Mumbai. And as far as education qualification is considered, you should be a CA or CMA or MBA Finance or MMS or MCOM or an equivalent post-graduation degree in Commerce. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years, it's a permanent post and you don't need to have an experience to apply for these vacancies. Here the pay scale would be between 30,000 to 1,20,000 per month. Friends, and you have to apply online before 7th January 2021. Moving on. Next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 14 posts of junior assistant accounts. Here again the place of posting would be Mumbai. Friends, education qualification is BCom with 50%. The upper limit is 30 years, it's a permanent post and again a post for freshers. Friends, your per month basic pay would range between 22,000 to rupees 19,000 per month. Friends, and you have to apply online before 7th January 2021. Next vacancy is from National Institute of Disaster Management, which is under Ministry of Home Affairs. Here the recruitment is for one post of junior consultant accounts and the place of posting would be New Delhi. Friends, you should be a graduate in commerce and your upper age limit should be 40 years to apply for these vacancies. Friends, it's a contractual post and you need to have 2 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. You will get a consolidated monthly revenue or package of rupees 41,000 per month and you have to apply offline to the National Institute of Disaster Management latest by 31st December 2020. Next recruitment is from National Institute of Public Health Training and Research, which is under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Here the recruitment is for one post of storekeeper. Friends, here the education qualification is considered. You should be any graduate to apply for these vacancies. The upper limit is 25 years and your place of posting would be Mumbai. Again a permanent post for freshers. Friends, the package would be 5 lakhs gross and you have to apply online before 19th December 2020. So that's all friends for this week. See you all next week with all the latest updates in government jobs pertaining to that week. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.